To stay competitive in design and development in modern electronic world requires a reliable measurement tool which not only gives performance but also matches your budget. Besides, you need a built-in reliability that Uplub Digital Oscilloscope has. Uplub is a trusted name in the field of test and measurement, which has sales and service support offices almost all over India. Uplub oscilloscopes comes in 4 types: color and mono display, each with 1 giga sample per second and 250 mega sample per second sampling rate, covering wide bandwidths ranging from 25 MHz to 200 MHz. Uplub D36000 series oscilloscopes are 2-channel digital oscilloscopes with dual time base. Uplub D36000 series oscilloscope have features like advanced triggering, 20 automatic measurement setups, USB host to store waveforms directly on pen drive, FFT testing, cost effective to give best performance to price ratio. Ergonomically designed front panel is very easy to operate and understand. It is divided into sections for easy operation: vertical controls, horizontal controls, trigger controls, CAN output for calibration of probes, menu keys and multiplexing key. Here you give a signal to any one channel and press auto. Oscilloscope will trigger the waveform automatically for you. With waveform display, you can find out the information of signal you are looking for. You can turn on delay time base function similar to analog oscilloscope with delayed time base feature. Window zoom can be adjusted with horizontal control to find the details of signal by moving the window. Information on the signal with delayed time base window can be seen to greater extent of magnification as seen here. 1 MHz square wave rise time details at 20 nanoseconds per division time base. Pressing the measure menu on the panel, you can display 20 measurement parameters simultaneously on screen. It measures voltage, frequency, period, rise time, fall time, pulse widths and duty cycle and all other important measurement automatically for you. Like all other expensive oscilloscope, Uplub Digital Oscilloscope has fast Fourier transformation function (FFT). This FFT shown here is in window handing mode. You can set the amplitude in terms of dBm, that is the ratio of power in decibels of the measured power reference to 1 milliwatt, or you can set the amplitude in volts or millivolt as the case may be. You can measure the amplitude and frequency of odd and even harmonics. This DSO has a cursor measurement feature. You can measure the voltage, delta V, frequency, delta F and period delta T along with pulse widths with the help of cursor. This is a useful feature for quick measurements. Many expensive oscilloscopes are capable of measuring glitch in the signal. Uplub D36000 series oscilloscopes also measures glitch in the signal as seen here. This is making this oscilloscope economical solution for high-end measurements. Uplub DSO has very important and useful feature of pass and fail by masking the waveform. You can create the mask around the waveform such that this mask is the preset limit of the waveform. When waveform exceeds the preset mask level, either in terms of amplitude or in terms of frequency, DSO will record the number of failures that exceeds the masked area. You can clearly see here, out of 980 recording done, signal exceeded 276 times the set limit showing as fail and 704 times within the limit showing pass. DSO has another useful feature or single shot or single event trigger in the trigger menu. This feature is useful when the signal is not repetitive in nature like a transient. To make the oscilloscope ready for the single trigger event, select the trigger level high enough to avoid any false triggering. Make the oscilloscope ready for single shot event by using a trigger menu. Here we are going to see what happens when the signal generator is switched on. Oscilloscope will record and display the event at the instant the signal generator is switched on. You can clearly see captured single-shot waveforms after the signal was switched on. At this instant, signal generator took 400 milliseconds of time to start the oscillations, and single generator stabilized after about 1.6 milliseconds to generate stable waveform. Up to 10 measurement setups and 10 measurements can be stored in internal memory to make this oscilloscope personalized equipment. Waveform can be stored on the pen drive using the USB host provided on the front panel. Just insert pen drive and save the waveform. Rear panel has power socket, and for PC communication, RS-232 and USB ports are provided. Self-cal feature of this digital storage oscilloscope makes it a reliable measurement tool at different geographical locations and at different ambient conditions. A carefully designed compartment on the top is provided to store all the accessories. For any inquiry for Applub DSO, you can simply email to tmisales@applub.com, or you can call any of our regional sales close to your location. For more information on Applub product, do visit www.applub.com.